Since all clubs were shut down during the pandemic, open airs are booming. Many want to host their own open airs nowadays, but you need to do it right. We will show you how you can host your open air responsibly. Location. First of all, you need to pick the right location. While scouting locations, you and your crew need to check these things. Make sure your location is not part of an environmentally protected area. Check the distance to the closest residential areas. Around the venue, all neighbours should be informed at least 1 week before the open air. Keep your mobile phone ready for complaints from residents with a radius of 250 to 500 metres. Awareness crew. You and your crew are responsible to make your event a safer space for all of your guests. You need to have an awareness team who everyone can talk to in case they experience discrimination or feel uncomfortable. On the location, it's important to install a safer space where people can rest and calm down if they have a stressful experience. Sound system. Before you start building up the event, make sure you have enough helping hands, as you might need to carry a lot of things. Direct your speakers away from residential areas to avoid any noise complaints. Check transportation routes beforehand. Fire protection. Put visible signs for escape routes in case of fires or other emergencies. Always have a fire extinguisher and a blanket in an easy accessible place. Provide ashtrays for your guests. Cigarettes can cause fires and harm the environment. Put trash cans all over the place to keep your location clean. Hygiene strategy. It's extremely important to take all hygiene measures possible. Your party needs to have one official entrance to make sure everyone signs a contact form should there be a case of any infections. As a preventative measure, you need to provide hand sanitizers and protective gear for your crew and guests. Make sure people keep a safe distance from each other and put marks on the floor at the bar queue. Also, all guests have to sign an online participation form before they join the party to avoid overcrowding your event. With all this set, the party can begin. Clean up. Before the party ends, make an announcement and ask people to help cleaning the space. Provide the tools to clean the location as well as possible. Don't forget to bring lights to help you with dismantling your equipment, and keep in mind the location might be used in future, so make sure you leave the place as you found it. Thanks for watching and enjoy your open air.